Mason. I found one.
A cookie? A missing sock?
No, a real-life passive income millionaire. Someone who makes money even when they're not working. I read it earlier in Black Enterprise.
What? Okay, drop the details before I explode from curiosity.
Her name's Dana Christian. She worked at the post office for 25 years.
Wait, 25 years delivering mail.
Yep, rain or shine, but here's the twist. She didn't even come from money, Mason.
No trust fund? No golden piggy bank?
Nope. She grew up in Section 8 housing, was a teen mom, and battled cancer.
That's heavy, but she kept going?
More than that, she flipped her whole story. She got smart with credit, started investing in real estate, and turned rent checks into passive income.
So she went from the mail route to the millionaire route.
Exactly. According to a 2023 article in Black Enterprise, she was helping others learn how to build wealth too. She turned her challenges into fuel and built a stream of income that keeps flowing.
She's the blueprint for bouncing back and building up, turning keys into cash and struggles into strategy.
Imagine sleeping in, then waking up richer.
That's passive income. Money working while you're literally wrapped in a dinosaur blanket.
Which I definitely don't sleep with anymore.
Sure, Zoe. Totally believable.
So, would you work hard for 25 years just to make a living?
If I had to, yeah. Dana did. She didn't have a choice. She had to grind to take care of herself and her kids. But what's amazing, she still planned her way out of the rat race. She worked hard, but planned harder. She learned, saved, and slowly built her freedom.
Whoa. That's like feeding your piggy bank little by little, even when it's mostly pennies and paper clips.
She didn't wait for the perfect moment. She made small moves that turned into big change.
What do you think is the best millionaire move for you? Tell us in the comments.
And hit subscribe if you're ready to follow Zoe down the next wild money trail. Pennies, pop-ups, and all.